Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the first time, please right now go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, today, real quick, I want to discuss, and I'm going to be looking at my phone for my notes that I have written down, my top 3 recommended make money online affiliate marketing programs that offer digital products. Okay, I've been getting quite a bit of calls because I recently added M.A.P to my portfolio, and a lot of folks not sure which program they want to get started in, and we've had those discussions, so I thought I would bring it to you guys as well because you may have some of the same questions. So this is going to be a quick video to kind of give you a rundown on my top 3 recommended affiliate marketing programs that I promote, okay, with digital products. All right, so let's do this real quick. And I'm going to put the link in the description for each one of these, okay? And after you've checked out the opportunities, jot down your questions. If you have any, feel free to reach out to me. I am accessible. I'm here to answer, get all your questions answered, okay? All right, so let's go with the first one. The first one is IPS, Infinity Processing System. I love to call it the copy-paste method. Matter of fact, go to my link in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com. Okay, I came up with that. I thought it was very catchy, and basically that's what it is. You're copying and pasting pre-written ads and images that the company give you. Very simple, very newbie friendly. Okay, they have 3 products, and I'm on my page right now. It comes with your picture and your link to social media, your name. Okay, takes 24 to 48 hours for them to create your page. It's not automatic, okay? Now, great program. Love it. I think it's great. I just want you guys to be able to kind of see the differences, and then you make a decision. I am an active member of all of these programs that I'm speaking of, okay? So it comes with 3 products. Training, okay? This is training in a digital format. It's audio and it's video tutorials, okay? Very simple, easy, newbie-friendly way to learn social media marketing. This program focuses on how to promote using social media, okay, which is free. So they're giving you free methods of how you can promote on social media. It's attraction marketing. They give you the image ads. They give you the pre-written ads. These are the 3 levels. You pay one time, no monthly fees. They have a $50 product, a $150, and a $300 product, okay? It's $25 one time for your website, okay? Now, I highly recommend the pro level because you get more training. As you can see right here, I'm not going to go into all of that because you can go to the link below, www.thecopypastemethod.com, and get more details. This is just a quick highlight, okay? So this program focuses on social media marketing. Instagram, Facebook, they even have Craigslist training in here, TikTok training, YouTube, okay? And they give you different strategies on how you can do that, and you can earn these commissions, $50 commissions, $150 and $300. It's instant pay any way you want, okay? Now, this does not come with any capture pages, doesn't come with an autoresponder. This program, you do not have to do, you don't have any pass-ups, okay? So this is not a one-up or pass up your second sale, any of that. The comp plan is just straightforward, direct sales. You make 50, you make 150 or $300. The only time it would be a pass up is if someone goes to your website and they try to purchase one of the products you have not purchased. That sale will go up to your sponsor. Okay, so in other words, if you signed up for the $50 starter and someone went to your site and they wanted the $150 training, you don't own that when you only own the 50, so you would lose that sale. Okay, so it's pretty much straightforward in that aspect. Again, you get paid any way you want. This is a nice website. Now, if you want to join this one and you do want a marketing system, I will put a link below so that you can join the marketing system that I use to promote this. I actually use two, so you can pick one of those. Okay, great program. www.thecopypastemethod.com. All right, and again, digital products. 3 steps to get started. All right, now we're gonna move on to the next one. Next up, Exitus Elite. Let me go to that page. All right, I'm on the website with this one. It's included in whichever level you decide. Everybody gets the same website. It's an all-in-one digital business in a box. With this one, it does come with the capture pages. It comes with the sales page. It comes with the autoresponder. With this one, there's 5 levels here. So let's go check them out real quick. You have the G100, G250, G500, G1000, and G2000. Okay. Now this one does have a pass up. You pass up one sale at the level in which you join. Okay. You can go check that out at the link below, getpaidfromhome.info, www.getpaidfromhome.info. Okay. Now, this one is instant pay as well, any way you want. Now, with this one, you get paid 4 ways. Okay. Direct sales, upgrades, pass ups, and roll ups. Okay. No monthly fees with this one, but it does have a yearly membership with it, as you can see here. And again, you can get more details at the link below. All right. So, but when you join this one, all the lower levels are included. So for an example, if you join the G1000, the G500, the 250, and the 100 is already included. Okay. So if you come in at the higher levels, all the lower levels are included. So that's how that one would work. This one also, when someone comes in at a higher level with this, you will still make the money at the level you are joined at. Okay. For an example, if you came in at the G250 and someone joined the G500, you will still make $250. Okay. So that's how that one works. That's the basics of that. But again, it offers digital products. Okay. And this is an instant setup. As soon as you make your payment, you're going to instantly be set up, because they don't have to create a customized page for it. It's automatic. All right. Wonderful program. I love this one as well. So this is just to help you guys see real quick highlights, hit it and quit it, a quick synopsis of them all, and then you can go check the links out in the description. Okay. All right, let's go to the next one, the last one that I recently added to my portfolio. Okay. Okay, this one is M.A.P, My Automatic Pay. It's an all-in-one. Okay. Digital business in a box. This one does come with capture pages. It comes with sales pages. It comes with an autoresponder. It's very newbie friendly. Out of all of them, I think it's the most newbie friendly because it comes with everything, okay, under one umbrella. All right. And you can go to the link below and check it out, www.besteasyworkincome.com. Okay. Newbie friendly because it has those steps. Okay, very simple. Now with this one, it's only one level. I like that about it. Again, all these have different attributes and different features. They're all great. It just depends on what you're looking for. This one allows you to earn $247 commissions over and over. One level. It does have the reverse one up. Everybody passes up their second sale. It comes with a step-by-step blueprint, marketing resources. Okay, and it's only $247. Plus your $33 one-time investment with this one as well. No monthly fees. So you're looking at $280 to get your business in a box. Is ready to go. Out the gate is instant setup. Okay. So really quick, those are the 3 digital programs that I recommend. So you can kind of go check them out. The links are in the description. For each one, if you have any questions, jot them down. Please give me a call. I will be happy to answer any questions you may have. Again, all of these are great. I'm an affiliate for them all. I promote them all. But as you know, everybody is not the same, right? All these programs aren't the same. So some people may want the all-in-one system. Some may not. They may say, hey, I already have a capture page system. I want to use mine. I'm just going to use the sales page and link it to my own capture page. It just depends, okay? Everybody's different. But M.A.P, very, very simple. And really quick, let's go check it out. I'm going to show you the capture pages real quick just because I got a few more minutes. Hang on a second. This is just one. They have 2 capture pages. This is the one I'm using. I really, really like it. It converts very, very well. You will get a lot of opt-ins to this page because people are curious to what's on the other side. And let me show you the back office membership area real quick. Okay, this is the membership area. Now, this dashboard right here changes every 24 hours, okay? So every 24 hours, it's going to give you your stats. You can see I'm in my membership area. So in the last 24 hours, I've had 2 new contacts, and I've got a total of 184 contacts in my system. 222 emails have been sent out. 333 views. People have looked at the page, looked at this system, okay? But so we're in the dashboard. So when I say simplicity, this is what I mean right here. As soon as you log in this dashboard, it hits you. Stop. Right here. Watch these setup videos. That's what I mean when I say simplicity, especially for a newbie person. Because people are confused already. They're like, hey, I'm new. I don't really know what I'm doing. So as soon as they log in, they see this. And then it says here, start here. After you watch these videos, it tells you here, go here, start here. And there's step 1, 2, 3. See how it goes down the line. And everything is just right here at your fingertips. This is what I mean when I say really, really, really simple. Really, really newbie friendly. Okay? So, with that being said, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that. And do not forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody that joined me in any one of these programs, I'm going to place your first campaign for you to get some traction in your business and your first solo ad, okay? So go check all 3 of these out. See what best suits you. Let's get started. Let's get you started with either one of these programs, okay? So look forward to working with you guys. See you on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.